Selector Baganda. 1, 2, 3. The way you're standing, please keep standing like that. I am just going to ask that I will have the third line. Since we are quite a number, I'm going to ask that Okutandikira Wano. Please, let's create another line right here in the middle. Just stand directly facing the bride and the groom. Now, I understand that we are quite a number. Please don't overspace yourself. Tugenda kusigala wano wali waggulu tuyinza ffenna obutanyumirwa bulungi. But I will ask that I will give one representative from the side of the bride. And then the side of the groom, of course, we'll see how it goes. So from the side of the bride, I'll only ask that one sibling will represent us, also for the interest of our time.
Nyash Festival is back, bigger and spiced, with the Tusula Outside Edition on the 16th of August at New Wayamai Forest Park. Vibes and vibes, and expect activities like dancing in the forest, pool party, boat cruise, zip lining, nyama choma, campfire, tents, DJ mixing and hyping, top artist performances, and so much more. Tickets are available at 20k for ordinary, 50k VIP, and a table for 1 million, with tents for hire. 16th August is the deal. Don't miss the Nyash Festival 3rd edition. Not your average social happiness.
Thank you. And now it's